Visiting the doctor. Good morning. Please come in and sit down.
Good morning, doctor. Thank you.
What brings you in today?
I haven't been feeling well for a few days.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what's wrong?
I have a sore throat and a runny nose.
I see. Do you have a cough as well?
Yes, a little, especially at night.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 4 days now.
Have they been getting better or worse?
They're getting a bit worse.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, sometimes in the evening.
Have you been able to sleep well?
Not really. I wake up a lot during the night.
Are you taking any medicine at the moment?
Just some cold medicine from the pharmacy.
Does it help?
Only a little.
All right. Let me check your throat and listen to your breathing.
Okay.
Please open your mouth and say, ah.
Ah.
Your throat looks red and your breathing sounds fine.
Is it serious?
No, it's not serious. It looks like a mild infection.
That's good to hear.
I'll give you some medicine for the infection and the fever.
How should I take it?
Take it twice a day, after meals.
All right.
You should also rest at home and drink plenty of warm fluids.
How many days should I rest?
About 3 to 5 days.
Okay, I understand.
If you don't feel better in a week, please come back.
I will. Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon. On the airplane.
Hello, what can I get for you to drink today?
Hi, can I have a Pepsi, no ice, please?
I'm sorry, we only have Coke products. Is a Coke okay?
Sure, that's fine.
Would you like ice with that?
No ice, please.
All right, and for your meal, we have pasta with chicken or beef with vegetables. Which one would you like?
I'll take the pasta, please.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Would you like anything else?
Actually, yes. I noticed the seatbelt sign is on, but I really need to use the restroom. Is it okay if I go now?
If you can wait a little, that would be better. The captain should turn off the seatbelt sign in about 10 minutes.
Okay, I can wait. One more thing. Is it possible to get another blanket? I'm feeling a bit cold.
Of course, I'll bring one right over.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Please enjoy your meal.
Thanks a lot. Buying train tickets.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to buy a train ticket.
Sure. Where are you traveling to?
I'm going to Boston.
One way or round trip?
One way, please.
When would you like to travel?
This Friday morning.
Okay. Do you have a preferred departure time?
Around 9 a.m. if possible.
Let me check the schedule for you. We have a train leaving at 8:45 a.m. and another at 9:30 a.m.
The 9:30 train would be great.
All right. Would you like a standard seat or business class?
A standard seat is fine.
Got it. That will be $45.
Okay.
How would you like to pay?
I'll pay by card.
No problem. Here's your ticket. The train will depart from platform 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please arrive at least 15 minutes early.
I will. Thanks for your help.
Have a nice trip.
How was your trip?
Hey, you're back. How was your trip?
Hi, it was really nice. I had a great time.
That's good to hear. Where did you go?
I went to a small beach town.
Oh, that sounds relaxing.
Yes, it was very peaceful.
How was the weather?
It was great. Sunny and warm most days.
Nice. Did you stay in a hotel?
Yes, I did. The hotel was close to the beach.
That's convenient.
Yes, I could walk everywhere.
What did you do during the day?
I went swimming, walked around, and tried local food.
Sounds fun.
It really was.
Did you take any photos?
Yes, I took a lot of photos.
I'd love to see them sometime.
Sure, I'll show you later.
How was the food there?
It was delicious, especially the seafood.
I'm getting hungry just hearing about it.
Me too.
Was the trip too short?
A little. I wish I'd stayed longer.
Well, it's good to be back, too.
Yes, but I already miss it.
Would you go there again?
Definitely. I'd love to go back someday.
That's great. I'm glad you enjoyed your trip.
Thank you. It was a wonderful break. Coffee shop chat.
I'm really glad we could meet today.
Me too. It's been a while since we last talked.
Yeah, things have been pretty busy lately.
Same here. Work has been taking up most of my time.
I know that feeling. How do you like your new job so far?
It's good, but I'm still getting used to it. The schedule is a bit different.
That makes sense. At least the coffee here is good.
Definitely. I come here almost every week.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's kind of my favorite place to relax.
I can see why. It's quiet and cozy.
Exactly. So, what have you been up to lately?
Not much, to be honest. I've been trying to exercise more and eat better.
That's great. I've been thinking about doing the same.
We could keep each other motivated.
I like that idea. Maybe we can meet here once a week.
That sounds perfect. Coffee and a good chat.
You can't go wrong with that.
Agreed. I'm really happy we made time today.
Me too. We should do this more often. Waiting for the bus.
Hi, are you waiting for the bus too?
Yes, I am. I just got here.
Do you know which bus goes downtown?
Yes, it's bus 12.
Oh, perfect. That's the bus I need.
It usually comes every 10 minutes.
That's good. The wait isn't too long.
Yes, and today is a nice day.
It really is. The weather feels great.
A good day to be outside.
Where are you heading today?
I'm going to the train station.
Oh, okay. That's a popular stop.
Yes, a lot of people get off there.
How long have you been waiting?
Just about 5 minutes.
That's not bad at all.
No, it's fine.
Do you take this bus often?
Yes, I take it almost every day.
Oh, then you know it well.
Yes, it's usually pretty reliable.
Oh, I think the bus is coming now.
Yes, that's bus 12.
Great. Let's get ready to get on.
Sure, let's go. Morning commute.
Good morning. You're out early today.
Morning. Yeah, I tried to leave early. The roads are quieter.
That's true. Mornings feel calmer before 7.
They do. It helps me wake up slowly.
Same here. I don't like rushing in the morning.
Me neither. I need a bit of quiet time.
Did you sleep okay last night?
Pretty well. I actually went to bed earlier than usual.
That always helps. I stayed up a little too late.
Yeah, that makes mornings harder.
At least the weather is nice today.
It is. Walking feels much better when it's sunny.
Do you usually walk all the way or take the bus?
I take the bus most days, but I like walking to the stop.
Same. It helps me clear my head.
Exactly. I usually listen to music on the way.
Oh, I do that too. It puts me in a good mood.
Podcasts work for me as well, especially short ones.
Yeah, something light is perfect in the morning.
Did you manage to eat breakfast?
Just something simple, toast and coffee.
That's my usual breakfast too.
I can't really function without coffee.
Same here. Mornings are impossible without it.
Looks like the bus is coming.
Finally, it's right on time today.
That's a nice start to the day.
It is. Hopefully work goes smoothly too. Receiving a package. Hello, are you home?
Yes, I am.
I have a package for you.
Oh, great. I've been waiting for it.
Can I check your name, please?
Sure. It's Anna Smith.
Thank you. Here is your package.
Thanks. Could you place it here?
Of course. Please sign here.
Okay, just a moment.
Is this your first delivery today?
Yes, it is. I ordered it online last week.
All right, everything looks fine.
Can I open it now?
Yes, you can check it if you like.
Great. The box looks good.
Please make sure the items are correct.
Yes, they are. Everything is here.
Perfect. Do you need help with anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Turning down the music.
Hi, sorry to bother you.
Oh, hi. No problem.
I live in the apartment next door. I just wanted to ask about the music.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is it too loud?
Yes, it's a little loud in my place. The sound comes through the walls.
I see. I just moved in yesterday, so I didn't realize the walls were so thin.
Oh, welcome to the building.
Thank you. I'm still getting used to everything.
That makes sense. I didn't want to complain. I just needed a bit of quiet.
I completely understand. I'll turn the music down right now.
I appreciate that. Thank you for being so kind.
Of course, I don't want to bother my neighbors.
These apartments are nice, but the sound travels easily.
Yeah, I can tell. Is this volume okay now?
Yes, that's much better. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Please let me know if it's ever too loud.
I will. And welcome again.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too.
Canceling a date.
Hi, it's me. Do you have a minute?
Hi. Yes, of course. What's up?
I'm really sorry, but I don't feel very well today.
Oh no. What's wrong?
I have a headache, and I feel a bit tired.
That doesn't sound good.
I don't think I can go out tonight.
I understand.
I'm really sorry to cancel our movie plans.
That's okay. Your health comes first.
Thank you for understanding.
Of course. Are you going to rest at home?
Yes, I think that's best.
Have you taken any medicine?
Just some painkillers. I hope they help.
Make sure you drink some water and get some rest.
I will. I feel bad about canceling.
Don't worry about it.
Can we watch the movie another day?
Sure, we can go when you feel better.
That sounds great. Maybe this weekend?
Yes, that works for me.
Thanks again for being so understanding.
No problem at all. Take care.
I will. Talk to you later.
Get well soon. Bye.